This is the Huawei new Watch Fit, in addition to the Huawei family of watches. The first thing you will notice about this watch is that it is not circle like other Huawei watches. Of course, the box contains the watch, a charging cable, and some manual to read. Bummer, the box doesn't contain a wall charger. Not so bad, but it was better if they include it in the box. Sure, there's one extra, you have it lying in around the house. The watch kinda resembles Apple Watch, but with a taller screen, a 1.68 inches. But it does not have the same high quality material. It is hard plastic and the design tends to be more modern and minimal. On the right side there is a bottom and a mic that are flushed with the chassis and not extruded outward. And on the left side there is nothing. The strap is rubber and it feels really like old Casio plastic watches. As for charging the watch, it can be charged with a 2-pin contact charger, which is magnetic of course, but it is bad because it seems like proprietary charger, unlike the wireless charging watches in which wireless chargers are everywhere. To remove the strap, you have to put your nail inside this tiny hole and pull up the pin. Once the pin is outside, just pull the band and there you go. Such designs give the watch a small form factor and better fit on the hand, unlike watches with bars. This design really resembles Apple Watch strap. Now, to turn on the watch, just hold the side button to do so. I already paired the watch with my phone using the Huawei Health app, which you can download it on any type of phone, iPhone or Android, Galaxy or Huawei. Well, of course I don't have to do this in front of the camera, because it's time consuming and simple. The watch fits really well on my hand, although I prefer smaller watch like 38mm Apple Watch. As for the functionality of this watch, it has notification, faces to customize, heart rate monitor, stress, media control, daily activity, and the oxygen saturation into the blood. Well, just like regular features except for the oxygen saturation that you can expect from any other smartwatch nowadays. Holding your finger at the current clock face will let you select other faces stored in the watch. You can also download custom faces from the phone app. Each face has its own unique customization, so you have endless possibilities. Comparing the Huawei Watch Fit to the Apple Watch Series 5 38mm, definitely the Apple Watch is small, screen premium, and the display is day and night. The tall screen of the Watch Fit is large, but does not compromise in the size of the watch overall. The Watch Fit is way cheaper than the Apple Watch, of course, making it for people who aren't interested in the smart watches and they just want some functionality like notification and daily activity and tracking of your health. As for the working out, Watch Fit has a lot of predefined workout modes to help you with your exercise and a built-in GPS to accurately measure distances. One new feature you can find in modern smartwatches is the oxygen saturation in blood. This watch can actually measure the saturation. I don't know if it is accurate, but it is a nice feature when you see it into a budget smartwatch. Yeah, one more thing, it can also monitor your sleep pattern. What I really hate about this watch is the vibration motor. It is very strong. Even at the soft setting, you cannot go back once you feel the Apple Watch haptic feedback. But still, this is a budget and cheap watch. Before I end this video, I didn't try the Watch Fit for more than 1 day, and on the back of the box they mentioned that it has a long battery life. I don't know what they mean by long battery life. Is it 1 day, 2 days? So you can state your question in the comment section below in order to do a deeper review about this watch. And thank you for watching.